Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an all-day clean with me. This was one of those weekends where I really needed to touch every single room in the house. For anyone that's new, thanks so much for joining. My name is Emily, and if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. So first things first, I went ahead and got our robot vacuum going, so you'll see it kind of scurrying around. And I'm getting started in the kitchen. So main thing I needed to do in here was get the dishes done. So I unloaded the dishwasher. I'm hand washing several items of my son's, so his cups and his plates and some of our pots and pans. And then I'm going to wipe everything down. On our counters, I'm going to be using the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. You'll see I had to take a little mommy break here. This is my 2-year-old son named Will, and he was hanging out with Dad in the other room. I think they were watching golf. I think the football game was on, and they were playing in his playroom so I could get some stuff done today. And I apologize, he wasn't wearing any pants here. We are in the middle of potty training my son, so he was in his big boy undies today. On my stainless steel appliances, I'm going to be using the Method Still For Real, and to be honest with you, I don't love this one. Leave me a comment down below if you have any good recommendations for me. On my woods today, I'm going to be using the Method Wood Daily Cleaner. This is in the almond scent, and it is amazing. Highly recommend. I'm also going to be throughout the day keeping my laundry going. So I had to do a few loads of laundry, so I'm going to keep that moving today as well. This is my son's room, and I didn't need to do much in here today. I mainly wanted to make sure to get his sheets washed for the week and just wipe down all of the surfaces. I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, and this is in the honeysuckle scent, which is amazing. I absolutely love this one. Alright, now moving on to the master bedroom. I'm going to be making the bed and again wiping down all of the surfaces in here today. In the bathrooms today, I'm going to be using the Method Anti-Back Bathroom Cleaner. This is my son's bathroom, and the main thing that I wanted to accomplish in here today was disinfect, disinfect, disinfect. As I mentioned, we are in the middle of potty training my 2-year-old son, so giving everything just a really good wipe down. You'll see here in a minute that I really focus on wiping down the toilet with the Clorox bleach wipes so that we can make sure to disinfect today. This is my son's playroom, and I was able to sneak in here and get it straightened up, get all the toys put away, kind of do a good wipe down real quick. He had actually fallen asleep watching TV in my bed this afternoon for his nap, so it was great timing where I could jump in and get some cleaning done in his playroom.